Look, you guys, I am going to be raffling off this OEM snorkel grill from Mopar. This is the original from Mopar, and the reason why, guys, I'm raffling it off because the Widebody kit that I did get comes with the snorkel grill. So some people may not want the Widebody, but if you want a chance to win this, literally all you gotta do is enter. It is literally $5 to enter, okay? And the link is gonna be in the description down below if you guys wanna win this. So basically the system is gonna generate the winner. It's only gonna go on for, there's only 25 entries, okay, you guys? I just wanna get a chance for somebody to actually win this for $5. So this is OEM, as you can see. It came in this bag right here. Let me show you guys. See that? It's OEM right there. There's no aftermarket, none of that stuff. So if you guys want a chance to win this, the link is in the description down below.